Welcome back to your daily stock market update. Today is November 5th, 2025, and let's review SoundHound AI, ticker symbol SON, traded on NASDAQ. SoundHound AI is currently trading at $15.13, down about 11.57% or $1.98 from the previous close of $17.11. The day's trading range has been between $15.03 and $16.56. Over the past year, SON has seen significant price swings, with a 52-week low of $5.41 and a high near $24.98. The company's market cap is approximately $6.17 billion. It reports negative earnings per share of minus 68 cents, reflecting ongoing investments in its voice AI technology. The 50-day moving average sits near $16.45, while the 200-day moving average is around $12.31, showing recent volatility but long-term potential. SoundHound AI develops independent voice AI solutions for automotive, TV, IoT, and customer service sectors. Their Houndify platform enables customers to build conversational voice assistants. Recent financials show growing revenues, but also widening losses due to investment in technology and market expansion. Analysts maintain a buy rating with a 12-month price target near $15.83, indicating modest upside potential. For trading strategy, SON is suited for risk-tolerant investors and swing traders. Watch for support around $14.50 to $15 as a potential entry point. Momentum traders might look for a rebound above the 50-day moving average near $16.45 with heavy volume for confirmation of upward momentum, targeting gains toward previous highs near $19 to $20. Use stop losses below $14 to manage downside risk amid volatility. Long-term investors can focus on SoundHound's leadership in voice AI and growing market presence as a catalyst for future growth. That's your SoundHound AI stock update for November 5th, 2025. If you found this helpful, please subscribe for daily market insights and trading strategies. See you next time.